Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and to this very short video. So I wanted to tell you here that I did open this morning the members section of the channel. As I mentioned already yesterday in a community post, I was thinking a few days ago to open the members section of the channel as a way for me to monetize a little bit more my channel and for you to support my work if you wish to do so. Now let me be very clear here, the content is not going to change, it's gonna stay always the same. The member section of the channel is a way for you to support my work if you wish to do so, but it's definitely not a must. If the channel keeps growing well and I have more possibilities in the future, I might be able to offer something more, but we will see how it will develop. Let me also say a big thanks to all of you. As you probably already know, I've been going through some tough time in the last months with my health and other things, and you cannot imagine how your comments and your support really helped me out through it. So really thank you from my heart, and I really appreciate that. So this is all I wanted to tell you in this video about the member section, and a big thanks to all of you guys, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.